Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel. Usual English conversation. In our channel, there are lots of tips and tricks, are there to learn English speaking. Want to speak English naturally? Keep watching our videos. Continuously learn English by simply listening the stories with entertainment. It will be entertained and also useful to learning English by listening. Boost your English knowledge by listening stories. Watch full video, don't skip the video.
The story about the traveler and the plane tree.
Two men were walking along one summer day. Soon it became too hot to go any further and, seeing a large plane tree nearby, they threw themselves on the ground to rest in its shade. Gazing up into the branches, one man said to the other, "What a useless tree this is. It does not have fruit or nuts that we can eat, and we cannot even use its wood for anything." "Don't be so ungrateful," rustled the tree in reply. "I am being extremely useful to you at this very moment, shielding you from the hot sun. And you call me a good-for-nothing."
Moral: all of God's creations have a good purpose. We should never belittle God's blessings. The story is over.
Hello, friends. Our next video is given below in our description. Keep watching to succeed. If you want more videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for getting notification immediately from our channel. Thank you for watching.